Hello everyone, I Kanira Chirag, Faculty of Diploma Computer in Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Welcome all to Lecture 1 of Unit 2 Introduction to Android. In this lecture, we will discuss the following topics: overview of Android, different versions of Android, and various features of Android OS, and advantages of Android, why Android for app development, and OHA. First topic is overview of Android. Android is a mobile operating system based on Linux kernel and developed by Google. Android is an open platform and it is open source. Android is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet, with specialized user interface for TV, car, and wristwatches. Android is most widely used OS in mobile phone today. The selling of Android OS is higher than Windows, iOS, and Mac operating system. Today, some of the television also have Android OS installed in it. Android source code is released by Google under open source licenses. Different versions of Android. Android version gives based on A to Z. First is Alpha, second Beta, Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, Froyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, ice cream sandwich, jelly bean, Kit Kat, lollipop, marshmallow, nougat, Oreo, and pie. So Alpha Beta is the oldest version of Android and latest version is Oreo and Pie, which are used in market. Features of Android: application framework. It is enable reuse and replacement of component. Second feature is DVM, means Dalvik Virtual Machine. It is a virtual machine for Android OS and it is used in other OS also. Integrated browser. Android provides inbuilt browser facility. It is based on open source WebKit engine. Next is optimized graphics. Android provides 2D and 3D graphics based on OpenGL ES specification. Next features is SQLite. Android provides inbuilt database that is lightweight and fast. Next is media support. Android supports any types of audio and video format. And next features is GSM technology, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi used for data transfer and internet connection. Next feature is camera, GPS, compass, and custom home launcher. We can customize our home screen in Android. Widget. Android provides widget like weather, audio, and to-do list, etc. These are the features of Android OS. Next is advantages of Android. There are many advantages of Android OS. First is multitasking. Android phone can run many applications. It means you can browse Facebook while listen to the song. As of notification, any SMS, email, or even the latest article from the app RSS reader, there will always be notification on the home screen. Android phone. Multiple screen size. Android supports multiple screen size as well as we know. User interface. Android OS has nice interface, that is GUI we deal with. Inter-app communication. Android supports inter-app communication so that one app can send or receive messages from other app. Speech input. Through this functionality, we can give a command to Android OS through our voice. Location and mapping service. These features are very useful for traveling. Hardware sensor. Android also supports sensors that are proximity sensor, temperature sensor, and etc. Easy access to thousands of applications via Google Android App Market, means Google Play Store. There are thousands of applications available on Google App Market. You can freely download it and use it. Can install a modified ROM. Not satisfied with standard view of Android? Don't worry. There are many custom ROM that can be used in your mobile phone Android. Widget. With the widget on the home screen, you can easily access a variety of settings quickly and easily. Google Mail. You can check your Gmail inbox from your Android mobile phone application are always for other mail checking. So these are the many advantages of Android OS. Next topic is why Android for app development. There are many languages used for app development, but why Android we used for app development? The development tools are free for the platform, so development startup cost is zero. Second is it is open source platform based on operating system. It is used the Linux kernel and open source library. It is distribution model. There are few restrictions are placed by Google for distributing some functionality. It is support multiple platforms. Most of hardware devices are supported by Android OS. Multi-carrier support. A large number of telecom carriers are currently offer Android powered OS. So these are the points which are in mind for why Android for app development. So next topic is OHA. OHA means Open Handset Alliance. OHA is a consortium of 84 hardware, software and telecom company devoted to advancing open standard for mobile devices. OHA provides a richer, less expensive and better mobile experience. OHA's aim is to develop technologies which will significantly lower the cost of developing and distributing mobile devices and services. OHA is a group of more than 84 companies including hardware manufacturers, software developer, mobile carrier and semiconductor company. Companies like Operator, T-Mobile, Telecom, Italia Telefonia, Docomo, China. Handset manufacturer includes HTC, LG, Motorola, Samsung. Semiconductor company include Intel, Broadcom, Marvell, NVIDIA, Qualcomm. Software company include eBay, Google, NMS Communication, Packet Video, Skype. Commercialization company include Nocer, Aplex, Dart, Wind River. So these are the OHA. Next is these are the basic overview of Android. Thank you for watching. For more video like our YouTube channel and share and subscribe.